Well, it was that gnawing pain that never goes away. When you sit down, it hurts. When you stand up, it hurts. When you walk, you can't sleep because you can't turn over. And so it just ends your life. And then it was difficult to drive because I was having to use my foot, and my hip didn't want to help me at all, so that hurt. Getting out finally was another thing. So you open the door and slide out, hit the ground, and hope you don't hurt so bad. Now I can just step in and step out just like a normal person and don't hurt at all. This was the second hip replacement that I had. I really was not sure I wanted to do that because of the experience of the first one. With Dr. Sayeed, I was recommended to him by a doctor who did my back surgery. They looked it over and he said, yeah, I can fix that. And he explained to me there's a new procedure that he uses which goes into the front part of your leg. And he said the physical therapy will be very light and you'll be walking and you'll be back on your own before you know it. Well, it's exactly what happened. I was, after the operation, I went home. I had a couple of weeks of in-home therapy, and then the physical therapy was walk a lot. You don't have to go anywhere, just walk a lot. I'm really happy with what he did, and I would recommend him to do any kind. If I ever have any kind of problem, I want to ask him about it because he's a good man and I trust him.